What's the meaning of cordless? Cordless. Cordless.
Cordless. Cordless. The term cordless refers to a device or appliance that is not connected to an electrical outlet or power source by a cable or cord. Instead, it operates using rechargeable batteries or other forms of energy storage. Cordless devices offer greater flexibility and mobility compared to their corded counterparts, as they can be used in locations without easy access to electrical outlets. Additionally, cordless devices reduce the risk of tripping hazards and make it easier to move around while using them. Overall, cordless technology provides greater convenience and accessibility in various industries and applications.